This week in my blog post, I'm discussing the importance of clear definition of tasks. We are so overwhelmed, stressed out, and we cannot think clearly, but we still have to do some work and accomplish some projects. So I'm discussing that in my blog post, but I just wanted to give you an idea how to do that also technically. So I'm using here application Todoist. It is a desktop app, and look at this. So for example, you need to send this report. You're really taking it easy. You just have one task for today, but still it is too much. You're looking at this task, you don't even know where to start. So for this, I'm advising you to define every single small step and put it in written. So applications like Todoist or other application like Things, which I'm using myself, are great tools for this type of work. So you can really write down every single small step and just come and mark, okay, I've done that, and this disappears, and okay, you just keep doing one by one. You can also mark the most important tasks, and this is how visually you just can mark the next task that you want to do, and also you can pass some tasks like to the next day, or to say no, I will do that on Monday.